Hello guys, once again welcome back to my channel. I am Abhishek Patange and today I am here to review this. This is the Java 42 2.1 version. The older version was the 2.0 version, which is the BS6. By the way, Classic Legends is the actual company and Java is a brand. Java 42 comes with three colors: white, red and black color. It gets with three variants, which is single disc, double disc and 2.1 variant. Price for the single disc variant is 1.68 lakhs and the double disc variant costs 1.77 lakhs. For the 2.1 variant it costs 1.84 lakhs. These are the ex-showroom prices. Now let's talk about the engine specifications. It gets with 293cc 1 cylinder 4-stroke liquid cooled DOHC engine, which produces 26.51 PS of max power and 27.05 Newton meters of max torque. Changes in 2.1 variant compared to 2.0 variant. There are no mechanical changes, there are only visual changes, and the first change is colors. It gets with 3 new colors. Second change is it gets with all matte black theme on the engine and most of the body parts are finished in matte black color. It even gets with bar and circular mirrors. And now it gets with alloy wheels and tubeless tires. Now the ground clearance is also improved. While cornering, the exhausts used to hit the ground. Now that problem is also solved. The seat got much softer. It's very easy to clock long distances now. Catalytic converter placing is also changed. These are the few changes of the Java 42 2.1 version variant. Now let's talk about the looks. Looks are subjective, but I'll share what I felt. There are so many retro elements like bar and circular mirrors, circular headlamp, circular speedometer, offset speedometer. These are so many things which are in circular, which maintains that retroish theme of the bike. And it even looks updated and youthful because of that blacked out engine compartment and because of those alloy wheels which has that stripes with Classic Legends branding on it. Because of these things it looks both upgraded and retro as well. In the front it gets with halogen circular headlamps with piano black finishing around it, and it gets with Java branding on the light. These are the side turn indicators which are finished in circular shape again. In the front it gets with telescopic hydraulic forks. In the front it gets with tubeless spoked alloy wheels with the tire section of 90 by 18 inches with the front brake dimension of 280 mm. And this is the radiator. It gets with a liquid cooled engine. This is the radiator guard, and overall ground clearance of the bike is 165 mm. The catalytic converter is shifted towards here from down. This is the blacked out engine bay. It looks very premium now. Overall wheelbase of the bike is 1369 mm. This is the keyhole. This is the ignition keyhole. Another is for lock. This is the side look. It gets with this 42 badging and some space to keep stuff. It gets with two-sided exhausts which are finished in matte black, and this is the handle to hold for the pillion. And in the rear it gets with gas canisters, twin shocked hydraulic suspensions. It gets with dual channel ABS, and the rear tire section is 120 by 17 inches, but there is nothing to rest for the pillion. It might be risky. And this is the rear look. In the rear it gets with twin exhausts which are finished in matte black, and these are the halogen lights with halogen stop lamp and two small circular cute looking halogen indicators. Seat is softer now and it's wide enough. It has good amount of space to move around for both rider and pillion. Long distance travel with pillion will not be a problem. And on the tank it has these two stripes which says 42 Classic Legends, and the seat height is 765 mm. Easily anyone can ride this bike. This matte paint scheme is looking very premium on this bike. These are the bar and circular mirrors which don't offer much view of what's behind. This is the handlebar. On the handlebar it has this Java branding. This is the offset speedometer. It shows speed. The top speed is clocked till 160 kilometers and it's showing the fuel gauge. On the top it has a digital trip meter, and this is the button which we have to toggle through. It has this ignition button, kill switch button, and on the left side we have buttons to headlight controls. This is the high beam, low beam, pass switch, indicators buttons, and this is the horn button. But these mirrors are enhancing the look of the bike very much, and this is the view while riding. It feels like something is missing because of that offset speedometer. It has this stripe which starts on the tank, it goes all the way back and it ends in the tail. And this is the sari guard, which is odd looking sari guard, and these are the tires. It gets with alloy wheels as I said, and it has this stripe with Classic Legends branding on the tire. On the both tires, front and the back tire gets this branding. So that's it for now guys. If you have liked my efforts, definitely don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Make that subscriber count to 4-digit number. So see you soon. Bye.